So as mentioned on the course, an ideal key cutting machine for your van is the dual machine. This is an older version that we've been using for our training classes. But as you can see, it's ideal because it has the cylinder part and the mortise part together, saving so much space in your van. Plus, they're designed for the van use, so they don't need calibrating as often. So, if you want to zoom in, on this side we've got the cylinder machine. So we've got our tracer and our cutter. So I've got 2 blanks here anyway, just to demonstrate, but what you would do is you put your original key in there. Clamp 1 is for cylinder keys, clamp 2 is for cylinder keys, clamp 3 and 4 for car keys. So, clamp it in, use our shoulder, and slide our new key in to number 1. Hold it down. Like so. So just check the alignment, so it's slightly off alignment. There we go. So you want to just have a look, you can actually tell the shoulders are aligned and the key is flat. That is the crucial thing with cutting cylinder keys. We need to make sure the key is flat and it's up to the shoulder. Okay? Then what you do is you flick that down, turn on your machine, and then use this dial then, pulling it upwards to cut the key, starting from the shoulder and working towards the tip. Doesn't matter how many times you go over, as long as you take your time. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 5 times, as long as that cut is perfect. So you just follow through like that. Alright. To calibrate this side, we do exactly what we've done now. We have 2 blank keys in, check the alignment, and then turn the machine on, cut it. It shouldn't take anything off because the alignment tracer should touch that and then touch the blade. If it is off, use this dial to correct it whilst the machine's running. But also follow the manual as well. Okay? Same for mortise now. We've got the mortise side. So again, we've got a trace on the opposite side now and our cutter here. So, we open up the jaws. Slide 1 key in this side, up to the shoulder and clamp it. And again, for this side. So you zoom in again now, you can see the keys are flat and they're flush. So now we turn our machine on again and we use the big wheel now to turn. But in this case we don't go side to side. Like mortise key cutting from your course, we go up and down, up and down, up and down, taking our time through the cut. Alright? But if you want any more information about the key cutting side, just watch the key cutting videos that are on the portal. When you're finished, always brush your keys with a brush and also a file. Thank you.